What is up, YouTube? Knowledge bringing you guys how to slide cancel in Warzone and multiplayer today. I'm going to be bringing you the absolute best settings that I don't see a lot of other YouTubers including to get you the fastest slides you can to give you that extra edge in Warzone. You need the edge. So watch to the end of this video so you can get the absolute best settings and actually one bonus tip on how to use slide canceling better in gunfights as well in this video. Guys, watch till the end. This video is jam-packed with value. If you have any helpful comments, make sure to leave them down below and hope to hear from you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. All right, guys. So first we're going to go over the actual settings for slide canceling, and then we're going to go into the movement of slide canceling. So for the settings of slide canceling, you're going to want to make sure to go to options, movement, set your slide behavior to tap. What we're doing when we're setting it to tap, we're telling the system, hey, I don't want to have to hold my button. I just want to tap it. And the reason you want to tap it is just it's a lot faster tapping because you're going to have to click it multiple times. The slide button needs to be clicked multiple times for this method. So make sure you set it to tap. Then you're just going to set your crouch or slide button to whatever's comfortable for you. Left control, I believe, is default, and that's what I've always kept it at. And then the biggest thing that a lot of these other YouTubers are leaving out of their video that's putting you at a huge disadvantage and themselves at a disadvantage is you need to switch out sprint, tactical slide, and steady aim down to get rid of sprint entirely. Just set your sprint, normal sprint button, whatever you have here, whatever you have in sprint, bring it to tactical sprint, because we want to press the button once. We want to press shift once and go into our fastest sprinting option available. We want to get places faster than other opponents. We want those extra milliseconds that really count in Warzone. Because this game, every second count, guys. Every hit counts when the TTK, time to kill, is this low. So make sure you use those settings. Let's review them one more time so everybody understands. Slide behavior tap. Set whatever is comfortable for your crouch or your slide. And then get rid of sprint entirely and just send a tactical sprint button. And you're never going to run out of tactical. If you click tactical sprint and you're out of that tactical sprint ability, because there is a limit on it, it will just normally sprint for you. So you don't have to worry about that. Now that we got the proper settings set up so that we can tactical sprint with one click and also crouch with one click, which are the two fastest ways, every millisecond counts, let's actually go over the movement. So if you have multiplayer, this is the best place to practice the movement. I do this every day when I wake up, not for slide canceling. I practice shooting bots, but we do this every day when we wake up. And here's a simple movement, guys. You guys ready? It's going to be, so crouch, crouch, space, crouch, crouch, space. We're clicking the crouch, crouch, space. So the crouch button twice and then space. That's as simple as it is. So based on my controls, I'm clicking control, control, space. Control, control, space. It's just that simple, guys. And I'll explain each one of these movements and how to know if you're doing it right or wrong. So if you are doing it right, you're going to be able to cancel. You're gonna be able to cancel the animation for sliding. So a normal slide is just one click and then it brings you wherever it wants you to. You can't really control it. But in a slide cancel, you're canceling out that slide by pressing it once again and then pressing space. All right. And then if you jump at the end of your slide cancel by pressing the jump button, you're doing it wrong as far as normal slide canceling, not for bunny hopping and more advanced movements, which I'll go over in future videos if you guys want. But it's just simple. Press crouch, crouch, space. If you're jumping, it's wrong. And you can do it in really fast succession. So this is wrong. That means I'm spamming the space button too much. You just go like this. Just one click for space. That is a really useful movement. I'm going to provide a couple situations that you might use this movement in. And it really is that simple, just crouch, crouch, space. So slide canceling is excellent for going around corners. It gives you the advantage, breaks people's cameras, and makes you hard to aim at. But another one that a lot of people don't talk about is if you have low cover like this. There's a bonus tip for everybody in this video. I'm providing extra value for you guys, so please make sure you drop a like. A lot of people are going to tell you this. If you have low cover like this and you're trying to move to it, if you're standing up and moving to it normally, you're going to get beamed. Whoever's right here, while you're moving to it, is just going to beam you. That's not the case if you use slide canceling properly. So let me show you. So instead of just walking to it normally, I'm going to slide and then I beam that guy. And while I'm sliding, if someone was aiming at me from over there, trying to beam me, I'm covered the whole time. and I can stand up and chow. And that way I have less points of weakness, I'm moving faster, I'm harder to hit, and I can get places quicker. Slide canceling is absolutely essential if you guys want to get better at the game. So let's review it one more time. I want to make sure everyone just has a clear understanding. It's going to be, you're going to click sprint. So you go into tactile sprint animation, crouch, crouch, space. That's it. Sprint, crouch, crouch, space. That's all it is. And your brain will get used to it. You'll be really bad at it at the beginning, but then your brain will get used to it. So remember, guys, just crouch, crouch, space, crouch, crouch, space. Just as simple as that, all right? Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure to drop a like if you did find value in this video, and hope to speak to all of you in the future. Later, guys.